Well, it's sort of brings it all together a little bit. It's more the low ends of the dynamics will bring up a little bit, and the peaks it will control in a very nice, smooth way. And yeah, well, I just like the feel of the tube sound. It makes so much sense to the sound. I believe it's like a whole. It sort of put the whole thing together in a very nice way, musical way. And when it's a little bit more not so interesting to listen to, when you turn it off, it's just something about it. Very difficult to tell precisely what it does. And yeah, well, I've been very happy to work with it.